stop asking questions. Okay, now you've done it.
Который час? 26. Спасибо.
Oh no, children, are you okay? Oh no, could it be the Daisy Bell amoeba? Let's go to the hospital. All right, we are now here.
Hi, I'm Dr. Pastel. What brings you here? Oh no. It seems you have the Daisy Bell amoeba. It's a good thing that one of our nurses can treat that. You can meet them now.
Hi, I'm Nurse Milky Way. I'm a pediatrician. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Nurse Strawberry. I'm an obstetrician. If someone you love is about to give birth, visit me.
Hi, I'm Nurse Sweetie. I am an infectious disease nurse.